Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to block someone in PayPal. Blocking a user can be a crucial step to maintain your financial privacy and prevent unwanted interactions. Whether you're dealing with persistent payment requests, spam, or simply wish to avoid contact with a specific individual, PayPal offers a straightforward way to manage these situations. This process helps ensure your account remains secure and your experience positive, giving you peace of mind with just a few clicks. To begin, log into your PayPal account and head over to your activity page. This is where you'll find a record of all your transactions and interactions. Locate the specific transaction or payment from the person you intend to block. If you don't have a recent transaction, you can also search for their email address or name within your contacts list. Identifying the correct individual is the first critical step in securing your account from further unwanted contact. Once you've identified the user, click on their name or email address to access their profile details. On their profile page, you'll typically find an option to block this user or a similar function, sometimes located under a report or more menu. Select this option, and PayPal will ask you to confirm your decision. A quick confirmation is all it takes to prevent them from sending you money or contacting you through the platform, effectively severing that connection. After blocking someone, you might want to review or manage your blocked list. You can usually find this feature within your PayPal account settings, often under security or privacy options. Here, you'll see a comprehensive list of all the users you've blocked. Should you ever wish to reverse a block, simply select the user from this list and choose the unblock option. It's a flexible system, allowing you full control over who can interact with your account.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.